Bro. What? Nah. Seriously, bro. What? What are you doing in my Dunkin' Donuts with that weak-ass Indian Challenger? Do you know what you're doing? You're in my territory now. Why are you bringing that piece of crap bike up in here? This is Harley land, man. Get the hell out of here with that weak-ass piece of shit. What? Yeah, it's my bike. What's it to you, man? Come on, what's your problem, man? Dude, I got an Indian Challenger. I got like 120 horse on that bike right off the floor. What do you got, 100 horsepower? Dude, I will smoke you. You don't want to get into this race with me. You don't want to mess with me, dude. Bro, I've got 100 horsepower. I got 100 horsepower. Nah, let me tell you something, bro. I put new cams in there. I went down to a 2-to-1 exhaust. I got a 131 big bore kit. I updated my oil pump. I did the chain conversion. I've got that thing tuned to the max. I am putting down some serious horsepower now, buddy. I got like over $20,000 worth of work in that engine alone. I will rip the tires off your bike. I will blow those tires off your bike. Any day, anytime, anywhere. You got nothing, so just get out of my Dunkin' Donuts, brah. Oh, you got yourself some new cams, aren't we special? Probably got yourself a Vision whatever crap tuner too. Yeah, real tough, bro. Yeah, let me tell you, Indians, we can upgrade our bikes too. I've got a stage 2 in that. I've got new cams. I went down to a 2-to-1 exhaust and I've got sport mode. I will smoke you, you loser. Do you want to line up, man? Do you want to get up on the line and try and take me down? Because let me tell you, you might as well go get a look at my taillights now because that's all you're going to be seeing. Line up? I don't need to line up. Let me tell you, I don't need to line up because I got my dyno numbers, all right? I don't need to line up because my dyno says that my bike is hella fast, and that's all I need, brah. I don't need to line up with your weak-ass ugly bike. I don't need people thinking that we're friends, we're riding together, we're pals. I got this. I got my dyno. I take this everywhere, brah. So you can see that I am just so much better than you, brah. Oh, you got a dyno sheet. Oh, tell you what, you know what? I just happen to have my dyno sheet too because I know what's up. Look at that dyno sheet. Yeah, you know, it starts a little low in the end because you got all that torque and then it is just power. It's thrusting through there, just straight power. It just goes. These are my cylinders just hammering it. Yeah, you don't want to take on my dyno, bro. Like, I know how to race. I don't even have to race. All I do is I show up with this dyno and I show people this dyno and they go, oh damn, look at all that horsepower, brah. Yeah, I know. So what if I only got 100 miles on my bike? It doesn't matter because I got this dyno that says that I go faster than you and that's all that's important, right? Oh, you brought your dyno too? Let me tell you something about your dyno. Your dyno ain't shit, brah. Your dyno ain't this dyno. Look at this dyno. Seriously, look at the way that just goes up. That is just, my dyno goes up and it stays up. My dyno is hard, brah. Like, you don't want to mess with my dyno. My dyno is thick. It is going straight up. It is just pure power, brah. Your dyno's got nothing. Take your stupid challenge and get the hell out of here. All right? Oh, my dyno ain't shit. Look at your dyno, dude. It's all thin and stuff. Like, that thing is just limp. You probably can't even keep up that sort of horsepower. It probably just droops right down. You got nothing, bro. Seriously, look at this. Look at this dyno. This is the way to go. Just thrusting through with those cylinders of power. Yeah, you got nothing. You are a loser. You and your old man Harley, yeah, whatever. Good job. Yeah, good job, boomer. Were you taking that Harley to go get your early bird special dinner before you're in bed by 3 p.m.? You old fart. Yeah, whatever. Get out of here with that. Oh, hey guys, I heard you guys talking about horsepower and racing and stuff. I was wondering if I could get in on that. I mean, if you're gonna line up or something, I'd love to do it. Nah, you get out of here, bro. We're not doing this stupid Goldwing thing like you showed up with last time. We don't need that, all right? We're not doing your stupid Goldwing. And right now, my bike, it would smoke your crappy little Goldwing. What do you got, like 120 horse? Like, I'm going well beyond that, bro. I will just blow that little Goldwing right off your tank, you loser. Just Just get out of here. Oh, no, we don't want that Goldwing crap. Get out of here. Both of us, we can both smoke you, dude. You're a loser. Get out of here with your dumb bike. Oh, no. I got rid of the Goldwing a little while ago. It was too big and bulky, and like, you know, I want something a little better. So, yeah, I sold that, and then I went to Facebook Marketplace, and I got that clapped out 2007 Honda CBR 1000RR out in the parking lot. Yeah, it's got 175 horsepower right off the floor. Can you believe that? And it's like, what, half the weight of your bikes? Yeah, it comes in at like 400 pounds. It's crazy. Like, that thing is just a missile. Like, I don't know why anybody would buy anything else when they want to race. And I don't know about you guys, but have you ever seen these guys who just spend fortunes and they don't even get like 150 horsepower off a bike? That's nuts. $4 grand for that clapped out bike. It is nuts. So anyway, are we racing? Like, where are we lining up, guys? Let's do this. Oh yeah, line up. I'd love to line up, but you know, hey, I've actually got this biker meetup I gotta go to. Oh yeah, I remember that bike meetup. Yeah, I want to go too. Like, definitely, we should go to that bike meetup. It's very important, and they need us there very quickly. We gotta hurry up and go, like, now. We don't have time to talk. Yeah, we're all going down by this brewery. We're just gonna park in front and talk about how we ride and not actually ride anywhere. But I got my dyno sheet, and yeah, you need your dyno sheet to get in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I would love to take you on. Like, next time I will smoke that little crappy bike you've got there. I will blow the wheels off it. I gotta go. You want to come there? I mean, yeah, I'm totally down to go too, as long as, you know, if there's any of those sports to sports around, I can ask people why they went out and bought themselves a lady bike instead of a real bike. Yeah, I guess you can, as long as if there's any chieftains there, I can be like, bro, why didn't you just buy a Street Glide? That's a Street Glide, bro. What are you, stupid? Yeah, that sounds like a good deal. That's fine. Yeah, those chieftains are dumb looking. All right, let's go, bro. Let's get out of here. All right, let's go. But wait, I thought we were going to race and stuff. We were going to line up. It was going to be awesome. Come back, guys. I just want some friends. Somebody hang out with me. This sucks. Oh. Whatever. Yeah, can I get a Dunkachino, please? Thanks. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Yeah, I can't tell you how many times, and I'm sure you've seen it as well. You go to like forums, chat rooms, whatever, Facebook, like wherever, YouTube, and there's always somebody like showing his dyno sheet and is like, look at how fast I can go, look at my torque, look at my horsepower. I just dumped like $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 into this $30,000 bike and I got like 150 horsepower. I'm the fastest, baddest mofo out there. Whatever, dude. It's just kind of fun to watch. I don't know. But then it's even funnier when you think about it and you're like, I can go to Facebook Marketplace, drop like $3-4 grand on like a sport bike from like the late 90s and smoke your like $70,000 bike. Good for you. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who spent way too much upgrading his engine to get way too little in return. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.